Hello, everyone. This is Travis the Trader coming back to you live on Monday. This is October the 21st. I believe it was a couple weeks, could have been a couple months ago. I had put up a video related to Bitcoin, how best to trade Bitcoin, some of the ways to trade the futures. There's some options on the futures /BTC. There is I'll get to MSTR in 1 second, but there's BITO, which is the ETF. It's a Bitcoin ETF, but the futures, not the spot markets. I believe there aren't any Bitcoin spot cash markets ETFs. I'm saying options on those ETFs yet. Hopefully they will be approved soon. And for those of you that find value, please subscribe. But I want to hear from you as to when do you think that will happen? When can you see the SEC allowing for Bitcoin Cash ETFs to start trading options on them? I don't know when that is. Again, love to hear from you on that. But one of the and again, other ways to gain exposure. Obviously, there's Coinbase. Coinbase can be a good product. Ooh, excuse me, that's not Coinbase. This is Coinbase right here. So I like Coinbase. Coinbase is a great product to trade. As you can see, it's got the weeklies, it's got a number of monthlies, quite a bit of liquidity. Another one, it's kind of taken a bit of a hit, has been Mara. I don't know if anyone's ever traded Mara. I personally have never traded Mara before. Not a bad stock to trade. The only issue I have with it is that it's kind of it's below 20. It's 18. It's about $18.50. So I'm not entirely sure it's that great. I'm not sure you'll get a whole lot of premium on that. One that has come to mind is MSTR. I've actually never traded MSTR before, but I have been following it. I'm sure, as you can see, its liquidity. It's not bad. I mean, let's just go 25 days out. As you can see, there is quite a bit of volume on this. Like if we go to, let's say, the 29, excuse me on that. If we go to the 29, it's a 1380, 1395. It's actually not that bad. As you can see, the spread between the bid and the ask is quite close. So it's something to keep in mind. If you are going naked on this, it's tough to do because you are going to be putting up quite a bit. Here's the 16 delta, 645, 660. Again, not bad, I would say. If you're just looking to put on a naked put at the 16 delta, but you're putting up about $11,000. Not the greatest return on capital. Not something I would look to do. Again, if I was to do something in MSTR, I probably would keep it small, some type of a spread, if you were directional, or maybe even an iron condor. But something else that came to mind is MSTU. MSTU. And so this is an ETF that's 2 times long the MSTR. So I guess if you were to understand this, it magnifies, enlarges 200% of MSTR. So I guess you could look at it as some kind of an ETF on steroids when it comes to MicroStrategy. The problem I have with MSTU, even though, as you can see, the volume is not bad, it's about 4.5 million shares, not a lot of liquidity in the option markets. As you can see, there's only monthlies. You got the 25, the 60, 151, 242 days. Normally, I like to see some weeklies. Normally, I like to see some more monthlies than just what's being presented here, because that then tells me that there is more volume. Just to give a quick example, if we go 25 days out, here, what is this? This is the 10 delta. So you've got 210, 247. It's quite, you got the 210 on the bid, the 285 on the ask. It's quite large. So you'd have to do quite a bit of price discovery. It's quite a large spread, wide spread. You probably have to do quite a bit of price discovery. Not something I'm really interested in doing. I like to know I can get in, I like to know that I can get out and really not have to worry about and try to minimize my slippage as much as possible. This was just something, excuse me, this is just something to keep you in mind of all the new products that are out, that are coming out. As you know, I did a program a couple weeks ago on NVDL, right? This is the NVIDIA ETF that I think is also 2 times NVIDIA. And so this is MSTU, which I said before magnifies 200% of MSTR. So a lot of activity, a lot of different products. My only suggestion to everyone is keep it small. And if you're trying this out for the first time, do a defined risk trade. Put on a spread if you're directional, or put on maybe an iron condor if you are looking to be delta neutral and you really don't have any sort of idea as to, is this going to go long, is it going to go short. Just keep it as a delta neutral trade, but again, keep it small with an iron condor. Again, if you found value in this video, please subscribe to my channel. Always look forward to your thoughts. Always look forward to your comments. Please, a thumbs up always helps with the YouTube algorithm gods here. Love to continue to put out more content to you guys. And of course, I look forward to seeing everyone at the next video.